than the year earlier. Operating profits slipped to $740.7 million from $940.6 million. Total premium income rose 3.5% on the year to $13.9 billion. Ergo said it is further holding to its long-term target to raise a profit of $1.4 billion by 2012, but under the assumption of regular conditions on capital markets. The company is also aimed at saving $279.2 million in materials and personnel costs by 2010. At the end of July, the company announced that it would shed 1,570 jobs and 360 current vacancies will not be refilled. Flagstone Reinsurance Holdings, a Bermuda-based company which specializes in property, catastrophe and casualty insurance, is planning to foray into Indian primary insurance markets. The company, which has already made its presence felt in the domestic reinsurance market, is in talks with potential partners for setting up a joint venture. It will invest roughly $30 million in the venture. Flagstone has been in the investment market before, diversifying into insurance and reinsurance during the hurricane season in the US in 2005. Currently with about $1.5 billion in capital and 8 offices in 8 countries, the company sees potential for its catastrophe cover model in India. Well, let's wish them luck. American Independent Corporation today announced that the completion of an Internal Revenue Service income tax audit covering the 2003 to 2004 tax years, as discussed in AMIC's annual report on Form 10-K for the period ending December 31st, 2007. The Internal Revenue Service was conducting an audit of AMIC's 2003-2004 consolidated income tax returns. AMIC is pleased to announce that the IRS has successfully concluded its audit and at the conclusion of the income tax returns for such years and made no changes to reported tax for those periods. And in our final story today, there's an interesting twist to fashion. A collection of bulletproof clothing by Colombian designer Miguel Caballero has launched in South Africa. South African businessman Ari Ben David has opened a showroom for the fashion label and intends to open a shop. Mr. Caballero's clothes can withstand shots from 9mm pistols to AK-47s, and clients fearing knives can pay extra for stab proofing. The clothing line features suits, suede, leather jackets, raincoats, shirts, vests and denim wear for both men and women. Mr. Ben David said they were very fashionable and very difficult and different from other clothes of normal clothing. Well, anyone visiting South Africa may want to pop in and have a look. And that's the news for today. We'll be back on Monday at our normal broadcast time. Thank you for watching and have a good weekend.